Good morning, everybody. I'm coming to you today. Pretty nice day out today. A little cloudy, but it's pretty nice. Trying to get these brakes all put back together and everything, and run into a little pickle here. Just because you buy new parts or rebuilt parts or whatever from the parts store, and you take them out of the box and just put them on there, well, you've got to inspect them. Look them over before you put them on there. Because I was putting this on, getting ready to hang her on there, and I found that seal, dust seal there, it's damaged. I can't put that on there. We've got another one coming. For some of you guys out there that do your own brakes and stuff like that, make sure you inspect it. Just because it's new, don't mean it's better than what you took off from it. Just inspect it. Make sure that everything is the way it's supposed to be. That way you don't have problems. So you can see right there where she's been away from the housing and stuff. That was from installation. Somebody probably got in a hurry or something or whatever. I'm not going to try to guess it, but just make sure that your parts are what they're supposed to be. Look it over. They all have problems, but just because it's new, don't mean it's better than what you took off from there. Y'all have a great day. Be safe out there, and we'll see you around. Thank you very much. Bye.